was a boy who had no friends. All day long just sitting home and playing video games. One day he just heard this strange kind voice telling him to pack his bag and find himself a friend that doesn't care. One who has a life to spare, no life to be, that's all that he could be. Get away, get away! Loser Goonie, a dog that cannot see. On the bag of the bed forever now. Fucking Daisy, you think that he's secure. Falling down, falling down. Going crazy, you're absolutely sure. Are you absolutely? Standing back, he's back and took his clock. No one saw that coming. It was quite bad shock. 9 are dead and 5 intensive care. You can ask yourself that, is that truly fair for you and me? Over time he took the last shot. No life to be, that's all that he could be. Get away, get away! Loser Goonie, look that cannot see. On the bag of the bed forever now. Fucking Daisy, think that he's secure. Running down, running down. Going crazy, you're absolutely sure. Are you absolutely? All the frustration was growing that he wasn't showing. All he just would need was understanding. I know it's too late now.